A typical water heater will start leaking 10 to 15 years after it's initially installed. If you want to be proactive to minimize damage to your home, you should replace your water heater every 10 years. You should put your eyes on the water heater every month or so just to make sure there's no rust stains or water accumulating on the floor. And if you turn on your faucet and the water heater's rumbling, that's a good indication that it's about time to replace it. If you have a water heater that ruptures, it could do extensive damage to your home, depending of course where it's located. If it's in the attic, it could flood the entire house. If it's in the finished basement, it could ruin the carpeting, the wood structure, and your furniture. If your water heater is located in the crawl space, it could leak for months and you not know it. The mold and mildew that would accumulate would be extensive. If you have any questions or concerns about your water heater, feel free to call Fulton Services. We'll be happy to come out and evaluate your situation, give you the best option.